Hi guys, thanks for joining me. It's your boy Jacob Walcott with the HWK motorcycle summer jacket. I'm in the Caribbean, Trinidad and Tobago to be exact, so every day is summer. So as you guys can see, reflective at the side, the paddings to the shoulder, the mesh all around the jacket, adjusters for the hand, adjusters for the waist, CE protective tags, waterproof 100%, and reflective tag. Reflective down here as well, water resistant pockets, as you guys could see, water resistant pockets. Also to the next arm, same thing, armor to the top, also to the hand down here, coming a good way down as well. This is CE1 protection. CE1 comes in different, whether it's the silicone and the different ones. Do a review on it and you guys could understand how CE has developed from when it first came out to why these ones are made like this, so it does not restrict arm movements. You could actually move your arms in the jacket. Let me flip it over to the next side now. So to the back, reflective again, HWK, the mesh, you could actually see the CE armor through it here, red, the velcrums at the side here. I actually got mines in extra large. The red, this is the regular one. There's also a second one with straight across the chest, have the color, whether it's red, blue, you buy. So you guys can tell the difference. This is the only side pockets on the side. And also the next one, I'm 6'1", and I tried the two jackets in extra large. So the next one in extra large fits me perfectly well. This one I also purchased this one in extra large, and this fits me the same way as well. I'm going to try it on for you guys to see. What else can I tell you guys about the jacket? There's also two side pockets down here, same thing as well. So I'll be putting on the jacket now for you guys to see. Okay, so by the zipper, there's actually a groove that you have to get it in. So you put it in, not like I normally put in a jacket, but when it's reached here, you push down, get it into the groove, and then zip up. So it goes straight up to the top, and then velcro on top here to tighten. So the same way like my DX welding jacket. As you guys could see, it fits my shoulders decently. You guys see my side, see me, I have a little belly as well. So the armor is actually from here, come down, going around my elbow here, as you guys could see. Right? Same thing as well. Nice. So let me stand up for you guys to get a better look at how this fits, how it looks. There's room here. You can actually tighten it if you want to. I don't want to tighten mine, so as you guys can see, side view, hands up, regular, to the back. Adjusters here. So if you want to tighten to the front, however you want to adjust it. The pockets, as I said, decent size pockets. My wallet, put in the pocket first. wallet went in here. Sit back up. Let me see what else I can put in my pocket. Sneakers. Okay guys, just kidding with that one. But let me see what else I can find here. So you guys, you know in Trinidadians it has something called ramen soup. So it actually hold a ramen. This is the true test. So with that said, I sure you could at least fit a 7-inch tablet in this jacket pocket and as many other things as you want. So you know for sure it will hold a cell phone, it will hold your wallet, and also you have the pocket on top here as well. So I sure you could at least pay your insurance, your permit and those kind of things in this top pocket. This is actually holding my whole hand. Let me go back to the pack of ramen, you guys. Actually, I think this could hold 2 pack of ramen. Let me check. For those who can't believe it, here we go. 1 pack of ramen, 2 pack of ramen. So you actually get good storage in this jacket. And you guys don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more reviews. I'm Jacob Walker from the Caribbean, Trinidad and Tobago to be exact. And thanks for all the support and like thus far.